Children, today I will explain you more topics on subtraction. In this session, I will cover up the following topics: mixed addition and subtraction, use of less than, use of greater than, word problems on subtraction. Our first topic is mixed addition and subtraction. Children, here we have to find the value of the given sums. To find the value of these sums, we have to perform addition as well as subtraction. Children, before I begin with this topic, I must tell you that what are positive and negative numbers. First example you can see which is given in front of us, that is 15 plus 36 minus 25. So children, you can see here there is plus sign given before 36. So this number is known as positive number. Minus sign is given before 25. So this number is known as negative number. And there is no sign given before 15. So when children there is no sign given before any number, then that number is known as positive number. Now is that clear to you? Okay. Now we will start calculating the numbers. First step is to calculate these two values, that is 15 plus 36. We have done it here. 15 plus 36 we have added and their sum is 51. So we will write 51 here. Now rest of the things we will write down as it is. What is written here? Minus 25. So we will write down minus 25 here. Now next step is to subtract 25 from 51. Now here we have done 51 minus 25, their difference is 26. Now we will write here 26. This is the result. Next example is 80 minus 47. Now children, first of all we will subtract 47 from 80. Here we have subtracted and their difference is 33. So we have written here 33. Now rest of the things, that is plus 51, we will write as it is downside. Okay. Now next step we will find the addition sum of these numbers. So here we have calculated for the values 33 plus 51 equals to 84. Now this is the final answer. Next example is 200 minus 115 minus 68. First step we will subtract 115 from 200. Here we have calculated the values. Now 200 minus 158, their difference is 85. We have written 85 here. Now what is left? Minus 68. We will write down as it is. Then we will subtract 68 from 85. Here we have done 85 minus 68, their difference is 17. So 17 is our answer. Last example is 615 minus 2407 plus 3118. Now here children you can see 2407 is greater than 615. So we cannot subtract this number from 615. So what to do children? Here we will write down all positive number together. As I have told you earlier, what are positive and negative numbers. So 615 is a positive number as there is no sign given before this number. So we will write down 615 here. Then another positive number is 3118. We will write them together and the negative number we will write at the last. Now we will add these two values, that is 615 and 3118. Their sum is 3733. We have written here. Now what is left? Minus 2407. We will write down as it is. Then next step is to subtract 2407 from 3733. Their difference is 1326. This is our final answer. Children, all the rough work or calculation you can show at the right hand side of your notebook. You can draw a line over here. Got it? Now move on to next topic, that is use of less than. Children, here we have to find the value of the given numbers. 5 less than 1. What does it mean? What we do when we find this type of problem? 5 less than 1 means 5 minus 1 equals to 4. Means when we find less than, we subtract this number from this number to get the value. Next example is 10 less than 3. 10 minus 3 equals to 7. So 10 less than 3 equals to 7. Next example is 100 less than 40. It means, children, we will subtract 40 from 100 to get the result, that is 60. 100 minus 40 is 60. 1500 less than 500 means 1500 minus 500 equals to 1000. We will subtract 500 from 1500 and the result is 1000. Is that clear to you, children? Now coming up to the next topic, that is use of greater than. Here, children, we have to find by how much is 10 greater than 7. Again we will find their difference to get the result. 10 minus 7 equals to 3. So we can say 10 is greater than 7 by 3. Next example is 24 greater than 4. By how much is 24 greater than 4? Again we will find the difference of these two numbers. 24 minus 4 equals to 20. So 24 is greater than 4 by how much? 20. So children, when we have to find any number, given number, how much it is greater than the given number, then we find their difference. Now next topic is word problems on subtraction. Children, here the word problem is given in front of you, which I am reading for you. That is 15,250 bags of cement had to be loaded in a ship. 9,875 bags were loaded on the first day. The rest were loaded on the second day. How many bags of cement were loaded on the second day? Children, total number of bags are given, and some bags were loaded on the first day and some bags were loaded on the second day. And we have to find the bags which were loaded on the second day. So children, total number of bags which were to be loaded on the in a ship is given here. Number of bags to be loaded equals to 15,250. These are the total number of bags. Now number of bags loaded on the first day. Now 9,875. These were the bags which were loaded on the first day. Now when we will subtract the bags loaded on first day from the total number of bags, we will get the result which were loaded on the second day. So number of bags loaded on the second day, we will subtract the number of bags which were loaded on the first day from the total number of bags. Now their result is 5,375. Thus we can say 5,375 bags of cement were loaded on the second day. Working you can show here also. Next example is a company produced 3,21,546 radio sets in 2014 and 4,12,345 radio sets in 2015. Find the increase in production of radio sets. How to find the increase in production? In which year more number of radio sets were produced? In 2015. 4,12,345 radio sets were produced, and in 2014 3,21,546 radio sets were produced. So this number is greater than this number. So we will find their difference. Now let's see. Write the first statement. The number of radio sets produced in 2014 were 3,21,546. Second statement is the number of radio sets produced in 2015 were 4,12,345. So this number is greater. So increase in production, we will find the difference of both the numbers. We will subtract this number from this number. So we have subtracted and the result is 90,799. So we can say, children, the increase in production is 90,799, means this much more radio sets were produced in 2015. Is that clear to you? Now we will see the word problem on mixed addition and subtraction. The word problem is a man had 12,584 bricks, means total number of bricks he had were 12,584. Now he used 10,245 bricks to make a house and 673 bricks to make a well. How many bricks were left? How to find this now, children? Let's see. First we will write bricks he had used for making a house equals to 10,245. Now bricks for making well were he had used 673. We will add the total number of bricks he had used for making a house and for making well. The result is, here we have added both the numbers, the result is 10,918. So total number of bricks he had used is 10,918. Now number of bricks left with him. Bricks left, we will subtract total number of bricks he had used from the total number of bricks. Here we have subtracted. Okay. Now the difference of these two numbers is 1666. Thus 1666 bricks were left with him. In this kind of problem, children, you can see we have add as well as subtracted. We have added the value as well as subtracted the value. Now children, here I have given you exercise. Question 1 is based on mixed addition and subtraction. Question 2 is based on the topic less than. And here I have given you some word problems which you have to do in your fair notebook. And children, take care. Have a nice day and stay home, stay safe.